Dwi wedi cael yng ngeni mewn pentre dros lan Tafarn a hwn oedd y ganolfan pan o'n i ifanc. Pawb yn mynd i gymdeithasu yn y theatr a fan hyn fydde pawb yn dod ar ôl ni'r ffermwyr ifanc hefyd. Ac oedd e'n lle le oedd pobl yn dod i gyfarfod ond dim jyst y ffrindiau o bob oedran. A fi'n credu mae hwnna'n rhywbeth sydd ar goll dyddiau yma a mae hwn yn rhywbeth rili bwysig a ni'n gweld oedd hwn yn digwydd yn naturiol yn rhywle fel y fel. Pan glywon ni wedyn bod y lle ar werth eto, roedd e'n gyfler i ddau golli rili, o rai ni drio mynd amdani i gadw'r teimlad o'r gymdeithas na. Mae cefnogaeth pobl fel Social Business Wales a Cwmpas wedi bod gwerth pob dim i ni fel grŵp. I ni wedi gallu cymryd cefnogaeth sydd gyda nhw, gwybodaeth cefndir sydd gyda nhw, y profiad sydd gyda nhw o gweithio gyda pobl eraill. A mae hwnna wedi rhoi'r hyder i ni i symud ymlaen lle falle bydden ni gyd fel grŵp yn meddwl oedden ni'n gall. O'n nhw'n gweud, odech chi'n gallu gwneud hyn a o'n nhw'n rhoi'r hyder i ni i gymryd y cam nesaf a dal dwylo ni rili trwy'r prosiect.
My name's Iwan Thomas. This is the Tafarn Y Vale Public House in Felinfach, Tafarn y Aeron. I'm the chairman of a board of a group of people who came together to buy the Tafarn Y Vale as a community venture. In terms of success, we had our first AGM a couple of weeks ago now, and we were only reporting on 6 weeks, I think, business trading at that time. But we have been open for 7-8 months, and yeah, we're turning over a profit. You know, it's a reasonable profit. However, what it does prove is that we're dependent on volunteers. So for the community, I think the Vale is the unofficial home of a number of groups really. You've got the Young Farmers Club, you've got a very successful football club as well. We've got a group of Welsh learners. They meet here every fortnight on a Wednesday night for a pint and a chat. And I can't think of a better way to learn any language, to be honest with you, than socialising like that. It was always a vision, to be honest. It's not about having a pub. In reality, it's about having a social centre. We had a lot of assistance from Cwmpas, in particularly Welsh Cooperative, as they were at the time, identifying what sort of model might suit us. And the model we went after is what they call a Community Benefits Society, so it's a CBS. There are obviously different rules and regulations for different sorts of societies, but that was the model that we were most interested in and which we were steered towards. That's a model which is used by a number of other similar ventures, certainly pubs. If you're a shareholder, and every shareholder has a vote. So it doesn't matter if you've got £200 worth of shareholding, which is the minimum holding, or whether you've got £5,000 worth of shareholding. You've still got that one vote and one vote only. And that was quite a sell sometimes to some people because people were interested in equity, and if I'm putting 5k in, do I have a greater say, for instance? But that's not the case. It was all, and for us it was all about being equal and giving people that opportunity. So we've got around 640 shareholders. There's some largish investors, but certainly the huge percentage of those investors probably have holdings of less than 500, so 200 or 400 pounds. Is what the probably most common investment would have been. Obviously, having an online presence was very important, so we were all over Twitter, Facebook, social media. We identified some names who we thought might be able to help us out, so people who had some sort of connection with the pub, and one of those people was Matthew Rees. He bought some shares. The outreach then was obviously so much greater, and we had people invest from Portugal, from Australia, from New York, from Los Angeles. And some of those people had local contacts, but not exclusively. So rwy'n gael mas na meddwl bwrw ymlaen ar rywenter cymunedol debyg un, bydden ni'n gweud, tymod, neud gwaith cartre, mae hwnna'n bwysig iawn, cael grŵp da o bobl o gwmpas chi, bobl sy'n cefnogol, bobl sy'n sgiliau gwahanol, bobl sy'n fodlon herio. Ond yn y pen draw hefyd, mae yna lot o gymorth i gael mas na, mae'n mynd ar trwy'n fel Cwmpas. achos mae'r cymorth a mae'r arbenigedd sydd gyda nhw yn gallu torri trwyddo lot o problemau a lot o pethau chi'n meddwl, shwt ni'n neud hwn. Maen nhw'n gwybod, jyst cael chato nhw.